Just did a test run, and I got the gear ratio is 1050. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the clutch real quick to a 12 and see what the top speed on that's gonna be. Clutch from Arcs Racing and 440 chains. So I'm gonna see what she does. So with the 10-tooth clutch and the 50 in the rear, we got 57.35. And with the 12-tooth clutch, we got 63.87. And that's the 12-tooth and the 50 in the rear. Next, I will be installing the big valve 14cc head from Paul's Karts. We will see what this bad boy is going to do.